Hey friends, if you wish to install Solitaire, Minesweeper and other Windows 7 games in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So interestingly, we have Solitaire, the Solitaire game app in our system. We just don't know about it. I'll show you. Once we open it, it appears and it will start loading immediately. This will need a while to load and then you will find them here. Okay. Now here's the thing, can you play them directly? Let us try. For example, if I try to open Solitaire, I can, but this is not true with each and every game. There are some games that you will not be able to play. Nonetheless, if you didn't have Solitaire on your system, or let's say that you uninstalled it like I am uninstalling right now, then how would you install it on your system? In that case, you will have to search for Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Okay, and then search for Solitaire and then go to this app here and click on get, and it will need a while to install the app and then you can use it as you were using earlier. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.